Hello, my dear students. Very good morning and assalamu alaikum. I am Jia Rahman, teacher of Milestone School and College, Sector 14, Uttara, Dhaka. Now I am going to discuss measurement, which exercise is 3. But at first, I would like to discuss from previous lesson. From previous lesson I will discuss, but at first I would like to discuss the formula first, because I want to remind you again this one. Okay, students, so do you know the formula of parallelogram? So how to find the area of parallelogram? Base into height, square unit. And how to find the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. And how to find the area of triangle? So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, or base into height divided by 2 square unit. Okay, and how to find the perimeter of a parallelogram? 2 into length plus breadth, and also the rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. The perimeter is same here. But in a square, how to find the perimeter? So 4 into side perimeter. But in perimeter, if you want to find the in triangle, so how to find this one? That one is the sum of 3 sides. Perimeter is equal to the sum of 3 sides of a triangle. Okay, students. So now, how to find the total surface area of a cube? 6 into side square. 6 into side square. A, B, C, D. So now, how to find this one, students? It's very easy. Already you have solved this maths. So here given base is 50 and height is 40. So you know already I have told, that means which one is the formula, area of parallelogram. So solution now. So area of parallelogram. So parallelogram is equal to base into height. So base is what? 50 and height is what? 40. So this one is a square meter. So 4 5 are 20. How many zeros are there? 2 0. So just this one, square meter. This one is the answer of area of parallelogram. Students, have you understood? Now we have to go to the today's lesson. Today's lesson is exercise 3 and today's CW number is 25. Today's CW number is 25 and we have to solve some MCQ and 27 number CQ question. Okay, last number maths, and we have to solve some MCQ. Now solve today's lesson. Okay, my dear students, now we have to solve some MCQ and exercise 3 page number 53. If you are open your maths book, so first here first MCQ, 1 square foot is equal to how much square centimeter. So how to find this one? So that time first you have to know the 1 foot is equal to how much centimeter, right? So first we can write here 1 foot. Students, 1 foot is equal to how? 30.48 centimeter. Okay, so when you find the 1 square foot means you are finding the square, right? Square, do you know? Suppose this one is like this. Suppose all are 1 here. Okay, 1 means here 30.48. so this one is also 30.48. all are 30.48. when you find the area, so what will be? That means side into side you have to multiply. So 1 square foot is equal to what? So 1 square foot is equal to 30.48 into 30.48. okay, this one is square centimeter. Okay, students, so that means one foot means 30.48 centimeter here, 30.48 centimeter. So this one is also all side are 1 here, that means this one is the square like this. Okay, square, and this one is 30.48. when you find the square, that means you have to multiply by side into side. You know the formula of finding the square, so this one we have to multiply. So you will get 929.03 something. That means this one is a square centimeter. Okay, so 1 square foot is equal to, we will get this 929.03. okay, so now check in there are 4 options here, A, B and C and D. Which one is the correct? Yes, we get this one in C number. Here is 929, so this one is approx. Okay, 929.03, that means we can write 929, okay, square centimeter. So this one is the correct answer. Students, have you understood this MCQ? I hope you understood. Okay, now if the length of one edge of a cube is 3 meter, already I have given the formula, that means finding the total surface. Here given one edge of a cube is 3 meter, and which one of the following is total surface area of the cube, right? Of total surface area of the cube. Do you know what is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cube? 6a square, right? When a is a side, 6a square. So now suppose here side is the one edge of a cube is 3 meters, so side that one is 3. So if we write 6a square, so 6, that means a means here is the length of the length. Okay, that means here one edge of a cube is 3 meters, so that means a means this side 3, so into 3 square. So now 6 into 3 square means what? 9. So if you multiply, then you will get 54, right? So this one is the 54 square meter. So this one is meter. So how do you find the area, total surface area of a cube? This one is cube, that means you know the 6a square. This one, do you know, students, how can you get this one is 6? Because in a cube, how many surfaces are there? 6 surface. Now can you check this one just like this one? I will draw a cube like this. Okay, this one is a cube, and when the all sides are here equal, all sides are equal. Suppose this one is a cube and all sides here equal. This one is a, this one is a, this one is a, this one is a. All sides are equal. So suppose this, if this, suppose this one, just consider this one. Okay, so this one is the 1 square, because this one is a, this one is a, so side into side. So here is one surface, so another one, this one is this one. So like this way there are 6 surfaces here. So 6 into side square means this one is a square, so all are square here because all sides are equal. So that's why this one will be 6a square. So like this way you can solve also maths. Okay, already you have solved some maths by using this formula. Okay students, so this one is the answer is which one? So A number, 2 number A. Okay, 54 square meter. Okay, now first we have to read the question. Answer to the question number 3 and 4 in the light of the following information. Here given some information. The length of rectangular garden is 3 times of the breadth. 3 times of the breadth. A walk around the garden makes 400 meters. So when you walk around the garden, that one is called perimeter, right? You know, already I have given some formulas and also the perimeter, right? So this one is rectangular. Can you tell me the rectangular, actually the perimeter of rectangular is equal to what? Yes, you can know. Okay, now I will find the next one. So there is 3 times the breadth, so there is no breadth, so we can take let breadth is what? We will take breadth is x meter. Suppose breadth is x meter. Okay, so therefore length will be what? Length will be 3x, because 3 times of breadth, so that's why it will be 3x, right? So now breadth already now got, breadth is x and length is 3x. So you know the perimeter of rectangular garden, so rectangular plot or rectangular area. So you know the perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, right? Length plus breadth, unit. Just we have to write unit. So 2 into length is what here? Length is 3x and this one is x. Okay, this one is, so perimeter is equal to what here? What is the perimeter? A walk around the garden makes 400 meter. 400 meters. So this one is the perimeter. So when you walk around this garden, that means you are making, that means that one is called perimeter. So this one is perimeter is here 400. So we can write here, so or 400 is equal to what? 3x and 1x here. So it will be 4x, 4 to our 8x. So students, we can write here 8x is equal to 400. So or x is equal to what? 400 by 8 divided by 8 on both sides, right? So now just make it Lois prime. What will be? It will be 50. So therefore x is equal to 50. And so x is what? X is the breadth. X is a breadth. So breadth is, we got 50. Breadth is 50. So we can write here breadth is a 50 meter, and so therefore length will be what? Length is 3 times of the breadth. So 3 into 50. So 3 into 50. What will be? 150 meter, right? 150 meter. But in the question now check how much meter is the length of the garden. So length is 150. Already we got this one, right? Breadth already we got. Okay, so length is here 150. Clear? So here given you have to find out the length is what. So length is which one? So C number. Correct is C number. Okay, students, now 4 number, how much square meter is the area of the garden? So students, when you find the area of the garden, so what will you do? Length into breadth. Yes. So length into breadth. So length already you got 150. So breadth is already you have solved this math. So breadth is 50. So 150 and 50. Now just multiply. Length into breadth is equal to, you know, the square area of garden. So rectangular garden. So that means area of rectangular is equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth, that means 150 into 50. So breadth is 50 meter and length is 150 meter. So length into breadth, if you multiply, what will you get? Just so 150. So just multiply 150 into 50. Okay, what will be? 0. Okay, and 0 0. So it will be 0. 5 0 are 0. 5 have a 25. So 5 then carry 2. 5 1 are 5 and 7. So answer will be 7 5 0 0. So that means 7500 square meters. So which one is? Here I have written in T. So 7500, 7500 square meter of this garden. Okay, students. So now number 5. What is the meaning of deci in Latin? So what is the meaning of deci in Latin? Students, deci in Latin actually is a 1/10. So now I will tell also that deci in Latin is 1/10. Okay, but centi in Latin is what? Centi in Latin is 100. Centi, if it is centi in Latin, it will be 100th. And milli, suppose what is the meaning of milli in Latin? It will be 1000. Okay, 1000. So deci means tenth, centi means hundredth, okay, and milli means 1000th. Okay, clear? So here given what is the meaning of deci in Latin, so it will be 1/10. So answer will be B. Okay, dear students, now we have to solve number next 6 and 7 number. Now we have to erase this one. Now dear students, now answer to the question 6, 7 in the light of the following information. Here again the length and breadth of a piece of length are 20 meter. That means this one is length is 20 meter and breadth is 15 meter respectively. So here given what is the perimeter of that piece of length. So I have drawn this rectangular plot here. Okay, so length is here 20 meter and breadth is 15 meter. So rectangular, in the question, what is the perimeter of that piece of length? Is very easy, because already you know the perimeter of rectangular formula. What will be the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth, right? So this one is length, this one is breadth. So you know the formula, 2 into, okay, 2 into length. Which one is length? 20. 20 plus 15. Okay, this one is the formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle. So 2 into length plus breadth. So just add this one, 2 into 20 plus 15. What will be? 35. So 20 into 2 into 35 is equal to what? 70. So it's very easy to for finding the perimeter of that piece of land, that means rectangular. So it will be 70 meter. Okay, this perimeter always be meter, not square meter. Only when you find the area, you have to write the square meter. Okay. Okay, now 2 meter wide walkway is made around inside the piece, inside, not outside. Okay, inside the piece, which one is how many meter? 2 meters. So this one is 2 meter, and breadth is also 2 meter here given, right? So here given 2 meters wide walkway is made around the inside of piece of length. So how much meter is the area of the piece of length excluding the walkway? Excluding means except, removing part, cancelling. We will cancel this part. Okay. So we know the total area. If you want to find 20 into 15, you have to multiply total area, right? Now 7 number, 2 meter wide walkway is made around inside the piece of land. Okay, 2 meter wide walkway, 2 meter. So this one is 2 meter, this one is 2 meter. Okay, so in this 2 meters, so but here given, what is the question here? How much meter is the area of that piece of land excluding the walkway? Here is excluding means except, that means cancel, removing part. We will remove this part. Okay, cancelling this part, except this part. Now how to find the first? We have to, so when you find the area of that piece of land, so we need to find first length and breadth. But here given with road or with walkway, this length is 20, but without road, without, excluding means without. So without road, what will be the length? So in this rectangular face, so length is how many here? This one is length, this one is length, and breadth is this one and this one. So this one is also 2, right? And this one is also 2. So when you find the length of this rectangular part, we have to subtract 2 meter, right? So if you want to find the length here, length is equal to 20 minus, that means 2 into 2. 2 into 2, or you can write 2 plus 2. If it is 2, that means you have to write 2 into 2. And if it is 3, 3 into 2. If it is 5, 5 into 2. Otherwise, if you want to write 2 plus 2, no problem. If it is 3, 3 plus 3. If it is 4, 4 plus 4. Okay, so actually always write you 2 times length. So that means 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 5 into 2, like this. Okay, so now what will be 2 2 are 4, 20 minus 4, it will be 16. So without road, without walkway, the length is 16 meter, and breadth is what? Breadth is, here is 15, so minus 2 into 2. So 15 minus 4, what will be? 11. So now here given how much meter is the area of the piece of land excluding the walkway, without the walkway. So this part, only this without road, okay, without walkway, we have to find this area, this area. What will be the area of this part only, not road? So just what will be, this one is length without road or without walkway, that means length is 16 and breadth is 11. So now if you want to find the area, what will be 16 into 11? So it will be, now multiply, what will be 176. If you multiply, then you will get 176. So answer will be C number. Dear students, have you understood this MCQ total part 1 to 7 MCQ here? I hope you understood this one. Okay, so is there any problems? So again watch this video, then you can understand. Okay. So now next we will solve the 27 number question, CQ question. Okay, my dear students, now we will solve 27 number question, which one is given in the drawing. In the perimeter of the parallelogram ABCD is 30 meter. Perimeter means the sum of all sides, right? This one is 30 meter here given. So A number question, find out the length of the smallest side of the parallelogram. So which one is the smallest side? This one is the greatest size because this one is length is 2x and breadth is x. So we have to find out the value of x here and determine the area of the triangle ADF. ADF, this one we have to find the area. Then C number, how many square centimeter is the area of the quadrilateral BCDF? BCDF. Now we have to find this one. So first we will solve A number. So here given, now solution. A number, solution A number. First we will solve A number. Okay, so here given the length of the parallelogram is which one? Length of the parallelogram is 2x, right? Is 2x. Length of the parallelogram is equal to 2x and breadth of the parallelogram is equal to x. This one is x, and here given the perimeter of the parallelogram is 30 meter. We know perimeter of the parallelogram, perimeter of the parallelogram, perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So length is which one? 2x. We can write here 2x plus breadth. Breadth is x. Just write here. So or here perimeter of the parallelogram, here given what's perimeter of the parallelogram is 30 meter. Okay, perimeter of the parallelogram is 30 meter given. So just write here 30 equal to 2 into 2x plus 1x is equal to what? 2x plus 1x is equal to 3x. So or we can write 30 equal to 3 towards 6x and or divided by 6 on both sides, divided by 6 on both sides, just divide it by 6 on both sides. What will be, students? So therefore we can write this one is 5 is equal to x. So therefore we can write x is equal to 5. 5 is equal to x means x is equal to 5. So this one is the smallest here given. Find out the length of the smallest side of the parallelogram. So smallest side, this one. So therefore the smallest side of the parallelogram is equal to 5 meter. Okay, dear students, have you understood this one? How to find? Just use this here given parallelogram, which one is the length is 2x and breadth is x. We know the perimeter formula, then perimeter of the parallelogram 2 into length plus breadth. So just use this value. Perimeter of the parallelogram is 30 and just simplify, then you will get x is equal to 5. So the smallest side of the parallelogram is 5 meter. So that means this one is a 5 meter. Okay, this one is 5 meter. We can write this one is 5 meter. Okay, students, now we'll solve number B. Now B number, solution. So here given, find determine the area of the triangle. Students, when you find the area of triangle, you need base into height. But this in triangle ADF, here is only the height. There is no base, right? Is there any base here? There is no base. So, but we can find this value by using Pythagoras theorem. This one is new idea for you. In class 8 you will get this one. So but how to find this one? If you have value, height and breadth of a parallelogram, suppose this one, but in triangle actually this one is called height, this one is base, and this one is called hypotenuse. This one is called hypotenuse. Suppose you have a value height and hypotenuse, you can find out the value of base easily. How is the Pythagoras theorem? So now how to find the Pythagoras theorem? Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, so we know in triangle, in this one is not only the triangle only, this one is right angle triangle. This symbol is phase and represent it. This one is 90 degrees, students. So this one is right angle triangle. In only Pythagoras theorem you can apply in right angle triangle. Okay, so which theorem? In triangle ADF, in triangle ADF, we know the Pythagoras theorem is equal to AD square is equal to AF square plus DF square. This is the formula. AD square, that means hypotenuse square, equal to base square plus height square. What is the formula? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. Okay, this one. So here is the hypotenuse is AD, that's why I have written AD. Base is AF, that's why I have written AF, and DF is a height. So now just place the value here. AD is equal to what? AD is equal to 5. So just 5 square equal to AF square is equal to what? AF. We have to find the value base. We need to find the value of base, AF square. So just write here AF square plus DF square is equal to 4. That means 4 square. So students, so 5 square, if I take this one in the left side, so what will be? Minus 4 square is equal to AF square. Okay, that means this 4 I have taken in the left side, that means it will be minus. So now 5 square means 25 minus 4 square means 16 is equal to AF square. So we can write 25 minus 16, it will be 9 is equal to AF square. So now give the square root on both sides. Okay, so square root 9 and square root AF square. So when you get in 2 times, that means square and root over, this is the same power oppositely. That means we have to write, we can write this one is 3 is equal to AF. Okay, so therefore AF is equal to 3. So now in the base we got this one is 3. Okay students, have you understood how to find the base in a right angle triangle? This one is right angle triangle, so that's why you have to find like this way by using Pythagoras theorem. This one is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now we have to find the value of area of triangle. So now area of triangle, how to find base into height divided by 2. So now we know area of triangle, area of triangle is equal to base into height divided by 2. Base into height divided by 2, or half into base into height divided by 2 is square in it. Students, so here is base now got is 3, so just write here 3, and height which one? This one is 4 meter, so just 4 and 2, this one is square meter. Okay, so now just make it lowest from what will be, that means 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, so 3 2 are 6 square meter here, 6 square meters. Students, now we got the area of triangle. This one is the answer of area of triangle. Okay students, have you understood this one? Okay, just actually this one is a new idea for you, so I hope you understood. That means what is the formula? Again I am telling, in right angle triangle, the Pythagoras theorem, that means hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. Okay, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. Okay, now we'll solve number C. Now we'll solve number C. Solution from A, we got the breadth of, that is breadth, which one already we have got, x is equal to 5. So breadth x is equal to 5 here. So we can find out easily. So which one is length or base of the parallelogram is 2x, right? So why will you find this one? So here given how many square centimeter is the area of the quadrilateral BCDF, only this part, okay, BCDF, this part only. So first what will you do? First we will find out the area of whole parallelogram, this parallelogram ABCD, this parallelogram. So it's very easy to find the area of parallelogram because base into height. So then we have to subtract the area of triangle, then we will get this one easily, right? So now first what will you do? First we need to find the breadth of the length of the parallelogram. That means which one is length, that one is base. So base of the parallelogram is equal to 2x, that one is given, right? This one is 2x. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 5. So just you can write here 2 5 or 10 meters, right? So breadth is 5 meter here. Okay, so breadth is 5 meters. So base of the parallelogram, base means that is one's length. So base of the parallelogram is equal to 10 meter. Okay, now area of the parallelogram. So now area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height, base into height, that means square unit, right? Square unit. So what is the base here? Base is 10. So just write 10, and height is what? Height is 4. It will be, so what will be the square meter here? Students, now if you multiply, it will be 40 square meter. Yes, have you understood this one? So area of the parallelogram, you know the formula, base into height. So already we got, because here given the breadth is 5 meters, so easily we can find the value of 2x. This one is base of the parallelogram. So base will be 10 and height is given here 4 meter. So 4, 10 or 40 square meter. So area of the parallelogram is equal to 40 square meter. So now we got the whole, this area, this region, okay? So already in B number we got this area, that means area of this one is what? 6. Area of triangle, from B we got area of triangle. So we can write from B we got area of triangle, area of the triangle, okay? So from B we got area of the triangle, which one is 6 square meter, right? 6 square meters. Okay, if you subtract 40, that means if you subtract 6 from 40, then you will get the area of, so now area of the quadrilateral BCDF. So BCDF, that means only this part, BCDF, only this part. So total area, that means area of the parallelogram is 40 square meter. So and area of the triangle, this one only got 6 square meter. So 40 total, that means ABCD, the total area of this parallelogram is 40. So if you subtract 6, then you will get this one. So just area of the quadrilateral BCDF is equal to 40 minus 6. This one is square meter. Distance what will be? 34 square meters. But in the question here given square centimeter, not square meter. So now what will you do? We know in 1 square centimeter, that means 1 square meter is equal to how many centimeter? Okay, now we know 1 square meter equal to 10,000 square centimeter. 10,000 square centimeters. Okay, so easily we can find 34 square meter is equal to what? So 34 square meter is equal to 34 into 10,000. Okay, this one is 10,000 square centimeter. Okay, full from centimeter. Okay, so this one if you multiply, then you will get 3 4. How many 0 are there? 4 0. Okay, this one is 34, okay, square centimeter. Okay, this one is the answer. Students, have you understood how to find this one? Is very easy. I hope you understood this. Students, I have drawn a figure which one is triangle, and you have to find the area. Okay, now you have to solve yourself, and after solving, everyone pause your video, and after solving, then you can watch this video again. Okay, now I am solving. You have to find the area. So which one is given is base is 20 meter and height is 5 meter. Okay, so now solution. So which one is area of triangle? You know, half into base into what? Okay, now first I need to write. So base is which one? So we know area of triangle. Just I will write area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Which one is formula? We know half into base into height. Okay, square unit. So half into base is which one? Base is 20 meters. So just write here 20 meter, and height is 5 meters. So into write 5 meter. Okay, 2 10 are 20 and 5 10 are what? 50. 50 square meters. Okay. Okay, this one is the answer of area of triangle, this one. Okay, students, now my dear students, now it's time to give the SW. So today's SW number is 25, and today's question number, which one is 27, and page number 55, which exercise is 3. Okay students, thank you very much. Thank you for watching.